If our intermediate girls, Uaki Moimoi Paula, me Queen Salote College, Florence Hakalo. Koewa Moises Metari Siliva, me Tonga High School, Los Tikafeke. Koetolu Moi Polonise, me Lavenga Malia Christian College, Initaloti. Here are the winners of the intermediate girls long jump. Winning the gold medal from Queen Salote College, Florence Hakalo, with a distance of 4.99 meters. With a silver medal from Tonga High School, Los Tikafeke, and with the bronze medal from Lavenga Malia Christian College, Initaloti. The Kawikuna in Senior Girls 4x400 meter relay. The Uwaki Moikola, Aweketime Queen Salote College. The Uwa Moisiniva, Aweketime Aliahona High School. The Tolu Moipolonise Mauieke Apko Old College. For the winners of the Senior Girls 4x400 meter relay, the winner and gold medal goes to the Queen Salote College team with a time of 4 minutes, 32.32 seconds. In second place, winning the silver medal, the Liahona High School team. And in third place, winning the bronze medal from Apko College. Here are the winners of the Senior Girls 4x400 meter relay team. Kaufefineni Okunau Nenawikuna, Ihe Senior Girls 4x400 meter relay. Aya koe lama kafa ia e whanau te whine la lahi I he lele puka takaitaha. Mari, kuno. Winners of the Open Boys 4x400 meter relay. In first place winning the gold, team from tupouto'a College. tupouto'a College, winner of the Open Boys 4x400 meter relay. In second place winning the silver medal is the team from Tonga College. And in third place, winning the bronze medal is the team from Apko College. The kautangata ni naukunai ay lele 4x400 meter relay ay Open Boys. Koe uluaki moe me talikoula. O ave ia ki he polisi ko tupou. Aki ai taini koe miniti e tolu, se kone e tolu taha poi ni ua fitu. Koe ua moe me tali siriva. O mauia ke timi ai kolisi Tonga. Pea koe tolu moe polonise. O fuakia ki e kolisi api fo ou. Na kautangata e nane nau I kunai ai lele fuka takaitaha ai Open Boys. Mari, kuno. For the junior girls triple jump, first winning the gold medal from Tonga High School, Loto Mo'ua Talau. In second place, winning the silver medal from Tonga High School, Grace Fotu. And in third place, winning the bronze medal from Liahona High School, Patai Kaufusi. For the Auhia Junior Girls Triple Jump, the Uwaki mo me talikoula, me apiaku malu ngau Tonga, fuaki e kia loto mo ua talau, aki ha mama o koe vita e valu point fitu. Koe ua mo siliva, Tonga High School, o maui ki Tonga High School kia Grace Fotu. Na koe tolu mo I polonise o fuake ki Liahona High School kia Patai Kaufusi. Mari, uno. Open girls shot put. In first place, winning the gold medal from Tapuilau College, Hena Reina Fonohema. In second place, winning the silver medal from Queen Salote College, Amelia Lawman. In third place, winning the bronze medal from Tonga High School, Wikilotu Tupouto'a. Nakawikuna na ay tolo shot put ay open girls. Uwaki, Moimoi Paula, polisi Tapuilau, Hena Fonohema. Ai ako ay mama, aki ay mita e honofuru ko nima. Koe wa Moimoi Silima, mawiki Queen Salote ki Amelia Lawman. Kako e tolu mo polonise ki Tonga High School ki a Wikilotu Tupouto'a. Alimali uno. National Women's Shot Put. The Uwaki Moimoi Paula. Ofuakia ki Atamama TEUFAIVA. Wemita e tahanima point fitua. Koe wa Moisiliva. Ofuakia ki Asiloni Koloa. Te tauhoko atu ki midget boys high jump. Koe Uwaki Moimoi Paula. Mawe ki Tonga High School ki Seluini Forunua. Koe wa Moisiliva Ofuake ki Tupou High School e Ahowalu Safi. Koe tolu mo kolonise Ofuake ki Ewa Secondary Schools ki Avei Mau Fetu. Winners of the midget boys high jump in first place, winning the gold medal with a distance of 1.3 is presented to Selwyn Fonua of Tonga High School. In second place with the silver medal goes to Tupou High School to Ahowalu Safi. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, goes to the Ewa Secondary Schools to Veimau Fetu'u. Mari, uno. Junior boys discus, in first place winning the gold medal, goes to Lavenga Christian College to Tupouto'a with a distance of 33.43 meters. In second place winning the silver medal, David Deisina from Tupou College. And in third place winning the bronze medal goes to Sosaia Tokai of Leohona High School. Nakautangata ni Nawikunai ay junior boys discus. Ulaki Moimoi Paula, Ofuake ki Lavenga Christian College ki Tupouto'a. Koe wa Moisiliva ki Tupou College ki David Deisina. Kako tolu mo polonise ki Leohona High School ki Sosaia Tokai. Mari, uno. Makawikuna ay intermediate boys relay 4x400 meters. First place winning the gold medal is the Tonga College team. Second place winning the silver medal is the Tupou College team. And third place winning the bronze medal is the Leohona High School team. Makawikuna na ay lere kuka, kakaitaha ay intermediate boys. Kwe Uwaki Moimoi Paula, Ofuake ke timi ay Golistonga, aki ay taimi koe minite tolu sekonye tolu fitu koe noa hiva. Koe wa Moimoi Siliva, Ofuake ke timi me kolisi ko Tupou. Pea koe tolu moi polonise, Ofuake ke timi me refuka ay aku maarunga Leohona. Mari, uno. Viviana Fuka senior team boys, senior boys 4x400 meter relay. Koe Uwaki Moimoi Paula, Ofuake ke timi me kolisi ko Tupou. Koe wa Moimoi Siliva, Ofuake ki kolisi apfo'ou. Koe tolu Moimoi polonise, Ofuake ki he apiako ma'alunga Leohona. The winners of the 4x400 meter relay for the senior boys. First place goes to Tupouto'a College with a time of 3 minutes 29.88 seconds. In second place, winning the silver medal, goes to the Untitled College team. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, goes to Liahona High School. Senior boys 4x400 meter relay. Mari, soy pimenta de taja, que fue aquí. Mari, bueno, the intermediate boys high jump. Koi uaki mo me tarikola foki ke ewa secondary schools ke karika la akulo. Koi wa mo me tarisiniwa foki ke Tonga College ke tuli mafua tupou. Ke koi tolu mo me tarikolonise o foki ke Tupouto'a College ke Williami Lausi Ilui. The winners of the intermediate boys high jump. In first place, receiving the gold medal for Ewa Secondary Schools is Karikawa La'akulu with a height of 1.71 meters. In second place, receiving the silver medal from Tonga College is Turimafua Tupou. And the third place, receiving the bronze medal from Tupouto'a College is Viliami Lausi'in Lui. The senior boys long jump. In first place, winning the gold medal, from Tupouto'a College is Pita V, and also from Tailulu College, Finau Kaufusi. Mahangani Ihel senior boys long jump. In second place, receiving the silver medal from Tonga College, Manu Ahokovi. And in third place, winning the bronze medal from Tonga High School, Lineunu. Nukaupeau Hiena, I senior boys long jump. Mahanga I Ulaki, Moimeta Rikola, I Tupouto'a College, Pitavi, the Tailulu College, Finau Kaufusi. Koiwa mo siliva me Tonga College, Manu Ahokovi. Da Goitolu mo Polonise me Tonga High School, Line Unu. Senior girls high jump, the first and winning the gold medal from Liahona High School, Sela Pascala. The second place and winning the silver medal from Queen Salote College, Baya Helotu Fihaki. And in third place, winning the bronze medal from Queen Salote College, Makelesi Famupo. Ikaw pipine na senior girls na wikuna ai high jump. Koe uruaki mo meta rikola, ne apiako maolunga Liahona, o Sela Pascala. Aki ai maolunga koe mita taha koe tolu fitu. Koe ua mo meta risiliva me Queen Salote College, o Baya Helotu Fihaki. Ya koe tolu mo polonise toe aube ke Queen Salote College, ya Makelesi Famupo. Senior girls high jump. Alimai, kuno. Intermediate boys pole vault. Koe uwaki mo meta rikola o fuaki ke Tupouto'a College ke atnai sa folau. Koe ua mo meta risiliva o fuaki ke Tonga College ke Siokatame Malolo. Koe tolu mo meta ripolonise o fuaki moia ke Tonga College ke Williami Palu. Winners of the Intermediate Boys Pole Vault. In first place, winning the gold medal, this is awarded to Tupouto'a College to Atnaisa Folau with a height of 3 meters. In second place, receiving the silver medallion from Tonga College is Siokatame Malolo. And in third place, winning the bronze medal from Tonga College as well is Viliami Palu. Maimari Puno. Senior boys, 5,000 meters. In first place, winning the gold medal from Tupouto'a College, Sione Taufe'umaki. In second place, winning the silver medal from Tailulu College, Supamani Lupe'uvea. In third place, winning the bronze medal from the Ewa Secondary Schools, Paya Fina. Ikawikunay na ay senior boys, 5,000 meters. Koe Uruaki Moikola, Pia Moitaimi, Koe Minite Tahamalu, Sekone Tong 5.1, Me Korisco Tupou, Sione Taufe'umaki. Koe Wa, Me Tailulu College, Supamani Lupe'uvea, Pamoitolu, Me Ewa Secondary Schools, Paya Fina. Mali Puno. Open girls high jump. Koe Uwaki Moimoi Tarikola me Tonga High School, Sarah Kauvaka. Koe Uwa Moimoi Tarisiliva me Ewa Secondary Schools, Liringia Anau. Koe Tolu Moi Polonise me Takuilau College, Mere Milate Akolo. The winners of the open girls high jump. In first place, winning the gold medal from Tonga High School is Sarah Kauvaka with a height of 1.35 meters. In second place is silver medal from the Ewa Secondary Schools, Vilinia Anau, and in third place with the bronze Takuilau College, Mele Akola. Mari Puno. Intermediate girls 4x400 meter relay. In first place, winning the gold, goes to the team from Queen Salote College. In second place, winning the silver medal, goes to Tailulu College. And the third place, and winning the bronze medal, goes to the team from Liahona High School. Wekawikunayana ay Intermediate girls 4x400 meter relay. Koe Uwaki Moimoi Tarikola. Pia Moitaini, Koe Milite Fa Sekone Tonoa Koini Hibatolu. O Fuakia ki he Kolisi Kuini Salote. Koe Wa Moimoi Tarisiliva. O Fuakia ke Kolisi Tailulu. Koe Tolu Moimoi Taripolonise. O Fuakia ki Hakoma Oluma Liahona. Wikawikuna at 4x400 meter intermediate girls relay. Mari Puno. Open girls 4x400 meter relay. Koe Uwaki Moimoi Tarikola, awe ke timi me Tonga High School. Koe Uwa Moimoi Tarisiliva, o awe ke Kolisi Takuilau. Ka koe Tolu Moimoi Taripolonise, o awe ke Akoma Oluma Liahona. Winners of the Open Girls 4x400 meter relay. In first place and winning the gold medal goes to the team from Tonga High School with a time of 4 minutes, 43 and 79 seconds. In second place, winning the silver medal, goes to the team from Takuilau College. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, goes to the team from Liahona High School. Mali Puno.
Tau patule wa te whiauri tolo Discus ai junior girls. Uruaki Moimoi Kola, Lamilia Mikilani, Akumalunga Tonga. Ua Moimoi Siliva, Luisa Wele, Polistai Lulu. Tolu Moimoi Kolonise, Edna Teaupa, Polispin Salote. Junior girls discus. First with the gold medals, Lamilia Mikilani of Tonga High School, a distance of 28.72 meters. Second, with the silver medals, Luisa Wele of Taiulu College, and third with the bronze medal, Edna Teaupa of Queen Salote College. Malong Uno. Intermediate girls, 1,500 meters. Koi Uluaki Pamo'i Kola, Eleanor North, Police Queen Salote. Kataki Fatoaha Yangi, Koi Metali Kola Koi Ni, Okfuakia, Kia Eleanor North, Koi Police Queen Salote, Koi Tokotaha Fe'au Hieni, Kame Tuapuleana. It's an overseas competitor, Eleanor North of Queen Salote College. The competitors here in Tonga, first with the gold medals, Moimoi Burke, Api for All College. Second with the silver medal, Yentama Atoa of Api for All College. And third with the bronze medal, Ma'utuyono of Tailulu College. Koi Metali Kola, Fuaki Kia Eleanor North, Koi Hinga Ko Tokotaha Ini Memuli, o Kuange Pe Ni Kola. O Koi Fuaki Lewa Ai Metali Kola, Ke Kau Whiau Hipe I Tonga Ni, Ai Au Fuaki A Ka Moimoi Burke, O E Police Up for All. Koi Wame Siliva, Yentama Atoa, Police Up for All, Ka Koi Tolu Mo Kolonise, Ma'utuyono O E Police Tailulu. Kataki kai Fuaki Ai Metali O Police Tailulu. Koi Metali Fausi o Fuakia ki he puna loloa ai Open Boys. Open Boys long jump. Koi Uruaki Metali Kola o Fuakia ke Tokotaha Fe'auhi o Lava Maia me Muli ai a Fuakia ki a Tevita Final o e Police Tonga. Koi Metali Falangangi, Koi Metali Kola, Tevita Final me Police Tonga. A gold medal is presented to Mr. Tevita Final of Tonga College, an overseas competitor, a distance of 6 meters, 0.59. Ko kau whiau I Tonga ni, ko Uluaki mo Kola, Christopher Tamefuna, ako maulunga liahona. Ko e loloa, ko e mita, e ono, ko ni e wanima. Ko e wa pa Moimoi Siliva, sione tu whanaloka Police Tonga. Ko e tolu Moimoi Kolonise, Milisoni Tonga, ako maulunga liahona. First with the gold medals, Christopher Tamefuna of Liahona High School. Second with the silver medals, Sione tu whanaloka of Tonga College. And third with the bronze medal, Milisoni Tonga of Liahona High School. Malo Uno. Kaimini, ko e whiauhi puna akau ai Open Boys. Ko e Uruaki Moimoi Kola, Watesoni Palen, Polisi Liahona High School. Ko e ua Moimoi Silva, Kerepi Funaki Saipaia, Tupouto'a College. Ko e tolu Moimoi Kolonise, Tari Kamiri Pita ai Police Tonga. Open Boys pole vault, first with a gold medal and a certificate is presented to Watesoni Pale of Liahona High School, a height of 3.40 meters. Second with the silver medals, Kelepi Funaki Saipaia of Tupouto'a College, and third with the bronze medal, Tali Kamili Pita of Tonga College. Katakil tau paspasia to administra oyako honorable Pensimani Benisa Pipita of the Meamai of Wanti and Ahme Tali of Ahme. Keawi kuna akau ay open voice kay ulaki Paula Watesoni Pale Diahona High School kay uwa mo siliba kelepi funaki Saipaia of Tupouto'a College. Kay tolong magkolonise o Tali kami limpita o polis Tonga. Malo, uno. Malo ato. Ko e metali honoa, ko te au hipuna akau ai tiwi whaafonua, ko national men. Ko e olo aki makola, mo sese foriaki, ko e ua pa mo metali siliva, toto o whawea, ko e tolu mo metali kolonise sione havea. Pole vault national men, first with the gold medals, mo sese foriaki, a height of 3.40 meters. Second with the silver medal, Tupouto'a Havea, and third with the bronze medal, Sione Havea. Iai hafafofonga o tolu. Metali hono tolu. Koi te au hi tolo shot put and intermediate girls. Koi ulu aki mo Paula, Natalia Kaituu, Tonga High School. Koi ua mo siliva, Sandra di Fonua, Tonga High School. Koi tolu mo kolonise, Ahosimi Maka, Liamona High School. Intermediate girls shot put. First with the gold medal, Natalia Kaituu, Tonga High School. And a certificate with a distance of 10.81 meters. Second with the silver medal, Sandra Di Fonua of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medal, Ahosimi Maka of Liamona High School. Malo kuno. Lele mita kalungeau ay junior boys. Koi ulu aki makola, Bilaketi, Elika, Kolista Koilau. Koi ua mai siliva, Kalistiane Seau, Kolis Kotupou. Koi tolu, koi polonise, Pola Mahulu, Kolis Apfo'o. 800 meters, junior boys. First with the gold medals and a certificate. Bilaketi Elika of Takoila College. Silver medals goes to Kalistiane Seau of Tupouto'a College. And third with the bronze, Pola Mahulu, Apfo'o. Malo, uno. Feau hilele mita valungeau ay junior boys. Koi ulu aki makola, siwa ete aki Kolis Kotupou. Koi ua mo siliva, mo unga helotu leau Kolis Takoilau. Koi tolu mo polonise, se misi luau Kolis Kotupou. Junior boys 800 meters. First with the gold medals, siwa ete aki Tupouto'a College. Second with the silver medals, Mounga Helotu Leao, Takoilau College. And third with the bronze medal, Se Misi Luau of Tupouto'a College. Malo, uno. Feauhi tolo Discus, I midget boys. Koi uaki mamentari Paula, Mauhe Ofavite, Tonga High School. Mita e tolfa poini e tolnima. Koe ua mo siliva, Ulopa Nuku, FWC Middle Schools. Koe tolu mo kolonise lo Petive Koso, Tonga High School. Midget boys discus.
Officials, the Philippines they might think us in our Philippines in our they might think us in our and the officer field events.
Lele mita valngeau ai midget girls. Koi ula ki makola. Himatang inoa Liahona High School. First with the gold medals, himatang inoa Liahona High School. Ua mo medali silver, laulo toa pau kolis tupouto'a. Koi tolu mo medali polonise, ana sibale taulani kolis apho. Midget girls 800 meters. Malo, no. Lele mita valngeau ai junior girls. Koi ulaki mo metali kola. Wike lotu matealona ewa secondary school. Koi ua mo metali silima. Malia hehe sokai kolis takuilau. Koi toru mo metali polonise. Fresh lot ahea Liahona High School. Junior girls 800 meters. First with the gold medals, Wike lotu matealona ewa secondary school. Silver medals, Maria Hehe Sokai, Takuilau College, and bronze medals, Rachel Ahea of Liahona High School. Lalo, no. Lele mita valungeau, intermediate girls, 800 meters intermediate girls. Uluaki Makola, yang tamaatoa, Kolis Apfo'o. Koi ua memetali silva, Romeberg, Kolis Apfo'o. Kaya koi tolu mo metali polonise mautuyono polis tailulu. Uluaki mo metali kola. Gold medalist Yanta Maatoa of Apifo'o College. Silver medalist Romeberg, Apifo'o College. And bronze medalist Mautuyono of Tailulu College. Hello, no. Lele mita valungeau ai senior girls. Koi ulaki pa memetali kola, ana lauteau kolis apfo'o. Koi ua memetali silva, lesieri mai nuku kolis kuensalote. Koi tolu memetali polonise, mele latai moa kolis kuensalote. Senior girls 800 meters. Gold medalist goes to Ana Lauteau and Apifo'o College. Silver medalist Lesieli Wainuku of Queen Salome College, and bronze medalist Melena Taimoa again of Queen Salome College. Malo Kuno. Lele mita valngeau ai open girls. Koi ulaki mametali kola. Laupama kauta kolis apfo'o. Koi ua mametali silva. Malia manu hapai kolis takuilau. Koi toru mametali polonise. Grace Temuhema, ako maalunga Tonga. Gold medalist, Laukau Makauta of Apifo'o College. Silver medalist, Malia Manuhapai, Takuilau College. And the bronze medalist, Grace Temuhema of Tonga High School. Malo, no. Lele mita valungeau ai midget boys. Koi ulaki mo metali kola, sio siwa eteaki kolis kotupo. Koi ua mo metali silva, mo unga helotu leau, kolis kuilau. Koi tolu mo metali polonise, se misi luau, kolis kotupo. Gold medalist, 800 meters midget boys, sio siwa eteaki of Tupo College. Silver medalist, mo unga helotu leau, Takuilau College. Bronze medalist, se misi luau, of Tupo College. Malo, Lele mita valungeau ai junior boys. Koi ulaki mo kola, milaketi elika kolis takuilau. Koi ua mo silima kalistiane seau kolis kotupo. Koi tolu mo polonise, kolama pulu kolis apfo'o. 800 meters sprint junior boys. Gold medalist Milaketi Elika Takuilau College. Silver medalist Kalistiani Seau Tupou College. And bronze medalist Paula Makulu of Apri for All College. Malo Puno. Lele Mita Valungeau Intermediate Boys. Koi ulaki mo metali kola, Faleula Fanua Kolisko Tupou. Koi ua mo metali silva, Henry Tuyono Kolistai Lulu. Tolu mo kolonise, Lopeti Lele Noa, Apiako Maolunga Liamona. 800 meters intermediate boys. Gold medals goes to Faleula Fanua of Tupou College. The silver goes to Henry Tuyono of Tailulu College. And the bronze medal goes to Lopeti Lelenoa of Liahona High School. Malo, Lele Mita Valueau, I senior boys. Koeulaki Mometari Kola, Sione Taufelumaki Kolisko Tupou. Koeua Mometari Siliva, Supamani Lupe Umea Kolistai Lulu. Koitolu Mometari Polonise, Anthony Siane, Kois up for all. Senior boys, 800 meters. Gold medalist, Sione Taufelungaki of Tupou College. Silver medalist, Supamani Lupe Ubea of Tailulu College. And bronze medalist, Anthony Siale of Apri for All College. Malo, Puno. Lele Mitai Malungeau, open boys. Koi ulaki mo metali koula, Falakiko Fisfau Kolisko Tupou. Koi ua mo metali siliva, Fusi Manuhapai o Kolistonga. Koi tolu mo metali polonise, Williami Pouli Maati Kolisko Tupou. Open boys, 800 meters sprint. Gold medalist Falakiko Fisfau of Tupou College. Silver medalist Fusi Manuhapai of Tonga College. And bronze medalist Williami Poulimati of Tupou College. Malo, Puno. Koi metali fao si utau fuaki i aoni. Koi lele mita maluneau ai tibi fafonua. Koi metali pe taha o fuaki, koi metali koula ya o fuaki ya siunipe tuifua. 800 meters national men. The gold medals goes to Siripa Tuifua of the Tonga national team. Malo, Puno. Whamalo ato, ke 8 minister o yako, pamo yako ngawe, Honorable Pensimani e Penisa Pipita, yono whakakato o e whatongi ako na. Malo, auki.